Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Flowkey app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Flowkey is a piano learning app designed for beginners, intermediate players, and advanced musicians who want to improve their piano skills at their own pace. The app offers interactive lessons, video tutorials, and sheet music for a wide variety of songs across genres. It listens through your device's microphone or MIDI connection to give real-time feedback on your playing, helping you correct mistakes instantly. Lessons cover music theory, technique, and hand coordination, making it suitable for self-paced learning. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Flowkey's clean interface, easy navigation, and clear instructional videos. The real-time feedback system helps learners track progress, while the ability to slow down or loop song sections makes practice more efficient. The variety of songs, from classical to pop, keeps learning engaging and motivates regular practice. Still, the app has some downsides. The free version offers limited songs and lessons, with most content locked behind a subscription. Some users report that microphone recognition can occasionally misinterpret notes, especially in noisy environments. Additionally, while Flowkey is excellent for self-learning, those needing in-depth personal guidance may still benefit from a human teacher. In summary, the Flowkey app may be worth using if you're looking for a flexible, self-paced way to learn piano with interactive feedback and a diverse song library. However, if you need fully personalized instruction or want all features without a subscription, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.